about Biocon as well. We were expecting the numbers yesterday. In fact, they've just come out now. The profits for the second quarter have come in at about 90 crores. Do remember the expectations were of about 85 crores. So at least on the bottom line front, the companies managed to beat the street expectations. However, the top line growth looks pretty tepid. We were expecting a number closer to 600 crore rupees. However, it's come in at about 538 crores, which compared to the level of 508 crores for the same quarter last time around, doesn't look all that bad, but of course it's lower than the 18% growth that was expected. In terms of the EBITDA numbers as well, we are expecting that the EBITDA will remain largely flat. About a 1% growth is what's possibly on the cards. But we've also got news that GE Capital would be investing about 125 crore rupees in its unit Syngene. That, of course, is likely to be taken pretty well by the markets. More details will, of course, keep flowing through steadily. But for now, the EBITDA number has not come out, but we're expecting EBITDA to remain largely flat. However, margins, EBITDA margins, because of the higher sales number, would see some bit of pressure. Some more details, of course, will also be seen on how the CRAMS business also shapes up, or whatever details we get on the life sensing business as well. But right now, on the face of it, the profit number at least is just about marginally higher. But we've got the sales which has come in below expectations. So more details on Biocon will keep flowing through. But let's talk about Titan as well now. That's going to be coming out with its numbers today. Navneet's here with a glimpse of what the street is building in. Hi, Navneet.
Morning, Megha. Well, the numbers will be coming out today. If you look at the expectations,